You talking to your new friend? Wings. Beautiful wings. Wings. Beautiful. Good boy. Yes. Your wings are beautiful. Wings. Ollie. Wings. You suddenly went deaf. Ollie, show your wings. Wang, wang, wang. What'd you say? Did you say wang, 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 wang? Look at those beautiful wings. Yes. What does your friend think? Look at that. Oh, Ollie, you made a friend. You always make friends, Ollie. Good boy. Look at that. Your friend is very happy. Yes. Look at that. You got a new friend. Good boy. I definitely raised you right. You're a good kid. Sherbert. Ollie Wing. Oh, good boy. Scar Scar. Hello. Scar Scar. Is Sherbert's Cage the new pub? Ollie. Yes, Scarlet, why don't you come over here? Come over here. Good girl. Play nice, Ollie. Don't bite any feet or anything, okay? And don't poop on him either. Yeah, I know, you hear me. Oh. I know. Beautiful boy. You're being really good. Yes, you're being really good. Huh? Ollie, say, huh? Ollie, huh? Beautiful wings. Show the wings. Angel. Wings. Good boy. Ollie. You're a good kid. You make everybody happy out there in TV land.